How to log in Quotex Trading Account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for qxbroker.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Quotex. On the top right of your screen, you will see the login button. Tap on that and you will further be led to the login portal of Quotex. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is, your email address and your password. If you want the device to remember your user ID, tap on the Remember Me checkbox, and if you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password. Once recovered, finally tap on the Sign In button, and if the login credentials that you entered are correct, then you will be logged in to Quotex successfully. You can also sign in to Quotex using your Facebook account or your Google account. So, this is how you can log in to Quotex Trading Account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.